Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by proving this is your account. Have your recovery email, phone number, and a trusted device ready. These speed verification. Go to Google's account recovery page and type the exact email address. Once done, expect prompts for a verification code sent to your recovery contact or a device notification. Follow the instructions immediately. If prompted, choose the most recent device you've used to sign in, because Google weighs that heavily when deciding whether to let you proceed. Now you'll work through verification questions. First, accept a Google prompt on a trusted device or request an SMS/voice code to your recovery phone. Make sure you have signal. If those fail, check your recovery email for a code or use previously saved backup codes. When asked about account history, give exact details like month of creation or past passwords. Accuracy matters. Make sure to stay on your usual browser and location, since matching that context increases the chances of successful recovery. Once verified, immediately choose a new, unique password and confirm it. Use a reputable password manager to save it so you won't repeat this process. Then enable two-step verification, prefer an authenticator app or security key, and review recovery email and phone settings. Check recent account activity and remove unfamiliar devices. If you're denied recovery, don't panic. Wait 24 to 72 hours, prepare more precise historical details, and retry from a trusted device and location.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.